Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take a sheet and then put the clay like this and make its branches. Put some balls like this using the clay, make a sun on the top and it's ready. Next, take a paper and tear it like this. Now after tearing it, paste them on the white sheet. Now make its eyes, draw its mouth like this, make the lines over it. Now make the leaf of the carrot on the top. Now make some sands using brown color clay, make some ants using black color clay like this, draw its eyes and legs and it's ready. Next, draw the stems of the tree using green color marker and make the leaves. Now take the clay, roll it and make it like this. Now put some balls inside it and then make the peas as shown in the video. Make some flowers and it's ready. Next, take a green color clay and then spread it like this. Use different color clays like this and then make the flower on the top. Make the cactus tree like this and it's ready. Next, take the cutting of a green paper like this to make the dinosaur. Now make the thorns on its back like this. Now make its eyes, draw its nose and mouth like this. Now make some designs and it's ready. Next, take the clay and make the stems like this. Now make the white color flowers around it as shown in the video. Put some few more as such and it's ready. Next, draw the stems like this. Now using the clay, make the leaves. Now using purple color clay, make the balls to make the flowers like this. Make some butterflies and honeybees around it like this using different color clays and it's ready. Next, take the purple color clay or the blue color clay like this and spread it using the fingers. Now make the green color patches using the clay like this. Now draw the lines and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.